You alright, Morton?
Hey, it's Chris Biggs. Welcome to the Fix for July 2nd. Our first story cannot avoid this. It is dominating the entertainment news. Why do I have a popsicle in my hand? I'll explain that later. Anyways, the story we're talking about, of course, is Mel Gibson and the fact that he was recorded, caught on tape, dropping the N-bomb while in a heated argument with his ex, Oksana. Now it gets even more complicated because she has a restraining order against her for releasing these tapes. Now she denies being the leak, and the lawyers are in the courts right now discussing it. The only question that needs to be answered is why is no one restraining Mel Gibson? Just put him wherever they put Kramer. They have a big old racist party with hats and light stuff on fire. I swear and stuff. Be all racist. That's a crappy party. And it's official, by the end of the day today, Tiger Woods will be a single man. The divorce negotiations, the settlement has all been resolved. All they got to do is sign it and deliver it to the courts, and it will be finished by the end of the day. So I guess we say congratulations to Tiger Woods and his ex-wife, whose name I always have trouble with, Elaine, a lot of money. And our ridiculousness, that's too many nisses, today belongs to Lady Gaga. Yes, rumors have been flying around for quite some time that she is both parts, so I guess you don't, parts, one of these and maybe, I don't, that was a horrible display. I apologize to the children in the room. So, to play with the rumor, she decided to pose as a man in a Japanese Vogue Homes magazine. At least that's what people think. Let's compare the pictures and you can decide for yourself. Here is the picture of the man that people think is Lady Gaga. And to compare, here's a picture of the everyday Lady Gaga. Jesus Christ! Rah, rah, oh la la. What?